Shandong Misset Group Industrial Equipment Company Limited is a leading brewing equipment supplier with 16 years of industry experience. We have our own affiliated factory with advanced equipment and modern workshop of 10,000 square meters. By building a robust distribution and partnership network, we are dedicated to serving the global brewing market. Our product including brewery, kombucha, distillery, winery and beverage equipment, as well as mixing tanks for spirits, food, dairy, paint, cosmetics, chemicals, and pharmaceutical applications. We also supply stainless steel storage tanks for a wide range of industries. We are located in Jinan City, Shandong Province with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to craftsmanship and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete satisfaction. Rigorous quality control and process testing guarantee that every piece of equipment meets expectations and is delivered on time. Misset Group builds its competitiveness on craftsmanship quality, elite culture talent, and innovation R&D. As a pioneer in intelligent brewing, we introduced fully automated control with one-touch start, significantly boosting brewing efficiency and reducing labor costs for breweries worldwide. Guided by the philosophy of global operation, local wisdom, we have the capacity and experience to manufacture small, medium, and large-scale brewing equipment and industrial tanks. With over 1,000 installations completed worldwide, we have established win-win cooperation with agents and customers across the global market.